Hey everyone, Lori and Tim here. And I was just thinking about all the different ways we can use LoRa, but some of our customers really like to monitor their HVAC. So can you tell us how they do that with the power of LoRa?
Right. So one of the key problems with HVAC systems and similar equipment is that it's hard to connect to these systems and understand when they're running. Are they running when they should be? Are they hitting temperatures they're not supposed to be? Or are they hitting the temperatures they're supposed to be? When should you change filters? And the reason that's hard to get is because a lot of these are on the roof and they're hard to reach places, and it's hard to communicate to those systems and get all of that data. So our customers are using LoRa to put sensors in and around these HVAC systems and monitor things like when is it on and off, what are the critical temperatures in the air or on the compressors, and pressures in this system to know whether or not filters are dirty and need to be changed, which is really important these days with indoor air quality and COVID. They're also monitoring things like the actual indoor air quality. So that the CO2 in the duct systems is a measure of ventilation, how much fresh air. And LoRa is a great use case for this because you can put sensors in far-flung, disparate places on rooftops and in basements, and you can send that data to just one simple gateway or antenna in the building and get that data to the cloud and use it in your analytics or your dashboards.
Okay, so we're just kind of mapping out an entire building with all of these LoRa sensors. And then that's pinging up to the one gateway they need because they don't need many.
Right.
And then that hits up to the cloud. We pull it into our API, and then our customers can take immediate action.
Exactly. All the data in one place from as many sensors from as many sites in one API. And you can use it really flexibly in everything from an Excel sheet to a fancy analytics AI-driven dashboard tool.
Cool. So they can even show their customers something very beautiful and polished just from the quick API we give them.
Exactly.